This is a summary of the transmissions panel on the Rangecast player. On the desktop view, the transmissions panel shows in the lower right, and this is a list of transmissions that are available. What's highlighted in this case in yellow, it depends on your color theme how it will show up, is the transmission that's currently playing, and behind that we can see other transmissions that have recently played. When new transmissions become available, they show up above this in the list in a different color. Each line describes a single transmission on air. It has the broadcast time of the transmission, and over the next three columns here, a description of the channel on which that transmission occurred. In this case, these are all part of, in Dallas, the Dallas Police Department and various regional dispatch channels for areas within the city. In addition, the broadcast frequency, or in trunk systems, the talk group for that channel is listed, provides more specific definition of exactly where the audio is coming from. And then we have in the right column seconds. This is the length of that particular transmission. So we can see that this here was a fairly long transmission of 7.6 seconds. Many of these were shorter. If you click on the time over here where the speaker symbol is shown in this section here, you can go back and listen to one of those transmissions. So I can go back here and I can now listen to that 7-second transmission and see what it was. We're currently in monitoring mode, which will skip transmissions as needed to stay close to real time, so we don't see necessarily all of the transmissions shown. If we were to be in history mode, we would possibly get some additional ones included if necessary. That's a summary of the main functions of the transmissions panel down here. It is also possible to do some more advanced actions where you mark channels or even individual transmissions. You mark channels by clicking on the text, like this will highlight North Central Patrol Dispatch by clicking there, or you can highlight all of the Dallas Police Department channels by clicking here. It's a hierarchical structure. Or you can mark an individual transmission by clicking over on the seconds column over here to mark individual transmissions, and then you can do things with those transmissions with the toolbar in this area of the transmissions panel, changing the priority level of channels or various other things you might do with them, details beyond the scope of current discussion. And in the upper right, these controls are used only for systems that are using text transcription. We're able to automatically translate audio from voice to text, and this provides ways of viewing the text information as well, or doing keyword matching in the text information. That's a summary of the transmissions panel on the Rangecast player.